Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker HISENSE Party Rocker One from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the settings icon or information icon near to your speaker. And right here at the right side we have a button Disconnect. And you need to tap at this button. But if you want to totally remove your speaker from the device, from your phone, you need to select unpair, because with disconnect you just stop Bluetooth connection with it, but leave it at the device list and then you can reconnect it. So it depends what you wanna do. Let's disconnect it, and as you can see I have it, so I easily can reconnect it by just tap at this speaker. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!